Once inventory is checked, the bales of premium wool yarn are transported to the production floor to begin the winding process.
Once the winding is complete, the pill undergoes a strict inspection for density and uniformity using these calipers. The worker carefully rotates the center, removing the thin rubber flash line before the trimmed cores advance to the wool winding stage. The upper die descends, clamping the cores. Steam is then injected, applying immense pressure and heat to mold the perfect sphere.
The hydraulic press compresses the yarn with immense force. Once opened, the perfectly formed core is quickly transferred to the cooling conveyor.
The blanks are tested for roundness, weight, and compression. Only the approved cores advance to the leather cutting area. Here we see the baseball cover die cutting the 4 panels from the hide with a powerful, precise motion. The edge skiver uses a precision blade to thin the leather panels to exactly 0.5 millimeters. This The official MLB authentication hologram is precisely applied by this automated machine, ensuring every ball has a unique serial number. Here in the packaging area, workers carefully place 12 official MLB baseballs into custom boxes before they are sealed and shipped. The final baseballs are placed into the display box along with the care instructions. The box is then securely sealed with branded tape and labeled before heading to shipping. At the palletizing station, the sealed boxes are stacked and then wrapped in clear plastic for stability before heading to the shipping dock. From the factory floor to the bright lights of the stadium, Every stitch tells a story.
Each baseball is typically used for only 2 or 3 pitches before it shows wear. It is then quickly replaced and enters the rotation of game balls.
From the crude wooden machinery of the early 1900s to the sleek automation of today, the craftsmanship of the baseball has continuously evolved.
Here in the lab, engineers use a spectrometer to analyze the wool composition, ensuring the precise quality before testing the tensile strength of the threading. The hides surpassed our minimum requirement, hitting 215 psi. This lot is approved for production.
Pay close attention to the tension here. The grip must be firm but gentle.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now maintain that rhythm as you pull it through.
In our commitment to sustainability, all wool scraps, leather offcuts, and rubber waste are meticulously sorted.
This advanced recycling system processes 10,000 gallons daily, filtering the water used in leather processing and ensuring environmental compliance. All right, team, push the schedule forward on the high-density cork balls. We're ahead of target.
5 to 5.25 ounces, 9 to 9.25 inches in circumference, 108 stitches, 80% wool, 20% synthetic core, and a cowhide cover with red thread.
The fiery red thread, Pantone 181664, is precisely measured by the spectrophotometer to ensure every baseball requires exactly 108 stitches, precisely 1/4 inch apart. Our quality control team uses digital. Remember to wear all required personal protective equipment before starting your shift. The curved design allows us to push through both panels and the wool core in one precise motion. This traditional tool has remained.
Made from a durable 3-ply polyester cotton blend, this wax thread features a 5-chord construction.
The core, or pill, is a blend of rubber and cork, tightly wound with layers of wool yarn for elasticity. The physics of the impact are fascinating. The ball visibly compresses, transferring energy through the wool and rubber core. Here we compare the different league standards. Note the difference in the MLB-regulated high-tensile wool windings versus the composite core used in the youth baseballs.
So when you apply the stitching here, the consistency is key for the durability of the baseball.
Only 1 in 300 baseballs fails the final inspection. The approved baseballs then move to boxing. From the factory floor to the hallowed grounds of Yankee Stadium, Fenway, Wrigley, and Dodger Stadium, only the finest craftsmanship makes it to America's pastime.
Every baseball, every game. Since 1887,